Let's see the fourth question. It's from conic sections. We are given the equation of an ellipse. So let's draw this ellipse. Yep. So we are given that this vertex is 3 comma 0, center is the origin, and this vertex is 0 comma 2. As PQ be the point in the first quadrant such that p square by 9 plus q square by 4 is greater than 1, that means that the point S lies somewhere outside the ellipse. Two tangents are drawn from S to ellipse, of which one meets the point ellipse at one endpoint of the minor axis, the other meets. So it's in the first quadrant. So this has to be one of the tangents. So tangent at 0 comma 2 is y equals to 2. So we know that q is equals to 2 because this line is y equals to 2 and S lies on this point or on this line. And obviously this tangent cannot be at the -2 or this end of the minor axis because all the points here lie in either the point cannot lie in the first quadrant. Any point on this line cannot lie in the first quadrant. So we know that the tangent should be on 0 comma 2. So we have determined that q is equals to 2. Now we need to find p. So the other information we are given is the other tangent meets the ellipse at a point T in the fourth quadrant. So let's say this is something like this, and this is the point T. R be the vertex of the ellipse with the positive x coordinate. So this is R, and O is the center of ellipse O. So area of triangle ORT is 3 by 2. ORT. This is this triangle. So its area is half into base. Let's take the base as OR, which is 3, into the height would be the absolute value of y coordinate of t, which means h is equals to 1, which means the y coordinate of t is -1, and t lies on the ellipse, which gives us x square by 9 plus -1 square by 4 equals to 1. This x square by 9 is equals to 3 by 4. And we'll take x equals to plus 3 root 3 by 2 because t is in the fourth quadrant. So we have the coordinates of t. Given the coordinates of t, the equation of the tangent at t can be found simply by t equals to 0. That trick that standard result we remember. So basically the tangent at x1 comma y1 on an ellipse is given by x1 by a square plus y1 by b square is equals to 1. So this gives us the equation as 3 root 3x by 2 into 9 plus -1y by 4 is equals to 1, which gives us x upon 2 root 3. So all we now have to do is solve this equation of solve this line's equation with y equals to 2, which gives us x upon 2 root 3 minus half equals to 1. 2 root 3 is equals to 3 by 2. X is equals to 3 root 3. So P is 3 root 3 and Q is 2. So answer is A.